Papa, the robot did my homework. Am I in trouble?
No, son. That robot just did the boring part. Now you have time to play, to think, to imagine. That's what AI is really about. Let me explain. Simply, clearly, and honestly. Today, we forget the fear. We focus on the facts and the fantastic future. Think about this. Thousands of years ago, we carried everything on our backs. Then we invented the wheel. We didn't lose our legs, we just carried more with less effort. Then we invented engines. We didn't lose our muscles, we just built cities faster. Now we have AI. It's a thinking wheel. It doesn't replace our brains, it gives our brains a break. 3 simple reasons. 1. AI never sleeps. 2. AI is cheaper than paying a human for boring tasks. 3. AI thinks incredibly fast. That's it. No magic, just math and electricity. But here's the big question. If AI does the fast, boring, cheap work, what is left for us? The answer is beautiful. Benefit number 1. When AI does the boring factory work, things become cheaper. TVs, phones, clothes, medicine, everything costs less to make. That means you keep more of your money. AI makes life affordable for everyone, not just the rich. Which jobs disappear? The ones nobody dreams about. Nobody grows up saying, I want to count boxes for 8 hours. Nobody says, I want to answer the same question 500 times a day. AI takes those. It takes the boring, repetitive, soul-crushing tasks. Good riddance. What stays? The jobs that need a heart. Nurses who hold your hand. Teachers who see you're sad. Artists who make you feel something. Chefs who surprise your taste buds. These jobs are safe because they need a human soul. AI can't hold a hand. AI can't see a tear. AI can't taste a dream. And here is the secret. AI creates new jobs. Jobs we haven't even named yet. Someone has to teach the robot. Someone has to fix it when it breaks. Someone has to check if it's being fair. These jobs are cool, creative, and pay well. They didn't exist 10 years ago. Imagine what comes next. Imagine going to the doctor. AI reads your X-ray in 1 second. The doctor doesn't spend 20 minutes staring at a screen. Instead, the doctor spends 20 minutes looking at you, listening to your worries, explaining your health. That is better medicine. That is human medicine. Imagine school. AI grades all the papers in a flash. The teacher doesn't waste time on red pens. Instead, the teacher spends time inspiring you, drawing with you, asking what you dream about. That is real education. That is human education. Imagine medicine. AI tests millions of molecules in days. The human scientist takes that data and creates a new cure. Together, they cure diseases faster than ever before. AI handles the heavy number crunching. Humans handle the breakthrough ideas. We win. Now let's talk about our superpowers. Superpower 1. Emotions. AI can analyze a face, but can it feel your sadness? Can it share your joy? No, it just sees patterns. When you cry, a robot offers a tissue. A human offers a hug. That hug heals. That's our power. Superpower 2. Common sense. AI knows facts, but it doesn't understand life. If you say, it's raining cats and dogs, AI thinks animals are falling from the sky. A human laughs and grabs an umbrella. That common sense, that understanding of the real world, AI cannot copy. Superpower 3. Creativity. AI can copy styles, it can mix colors, but can it invent something completely new? Something crazy, something beautiful? Humans made the wheel, the airplane, the internet, and pizza. AI didn't invent any of that. Creativity is our spark. Superpower 4. Trust. People trust people. When you are in trouble, you call a friend, not a computer. When you need advice, you ask a parent, not a robot. That connection, that trust, is the most valuable thing in the world. AI can't earn it. Only humans can. Here is the biggest lesson. Do not fight AI. Do not be afraid of it. If you fight the wave, you drown. If you learn to surf, you have the ride of your life. AI is that wave. Learn to use it. Learn to ride it. It will take you further than you ever imagined. So what should we learn? 4 simple things. 1. Ask good questions. AI gives answers, but humans ask the smart questions. 2. Be kind. Kindness is never automated. 3. Stay curious. Curiosity leads to discovery. 4. Work with others. Teamwork is human magic. That's it. Simple. Powerful. Think of AI as a dishwasher. It cleans the boring dishes. It does the dirty work. Now imagine you have a dishwasher at home. Do you sit and cry? No. You cook a better meal. You invite friends. You enjoy life. AI is the dishwasher for our brains. It cleans the boring work so we can cook a masterpiece. Imagine the future. Robots work in the background, doing the dull, dirty, dangerous jobs. Humans are free. Free to create. Free to explore. Free to love. Free to be lazy sometimes. The future is not a nightmare. The future is a vacation from boring work. We just need to walk into it with open eyes. What about money? If AI does the boring work, companies save money. The smart ones share that money with workers. The smarter ones give workers more time to do valuable, high-paying human work. When you use AI, you become faster. Faster means more valuable. More valuable means more money. Simple math. Let's sum it up in one breath. AI is fast, cheap, and great at boring stuff. Humans are creative, kind, and great at interesting stuff. When we put them together, we win. We win time. We win money. We win joy. It's not us versus machines. It's us and machines.
So, I don't need to be scared?
Never. You have a heart. You have dreams. You have common sense. AI has none of those. That makes you the most powerful creature in the universe. Be human. That's your job.
I can do that.
Thank you for watching with an open heart and an open mind.
And don't forget to subscribe, or the AI will take your notifications.
He's joking. Mostly. Stay human, stay curious, and remember, the best thing about you is you.
See you next time.